আকাশে চাপ কখন থেকে বলছি
Hi everyone. Hi. I'll be just right back in 2 minutes. Hi everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. I just took a break to update a new WhatsApp number. Hi Mithi, hi Krishna. Your jolly collection is very pretty. I liked it very much. Thank you so much, ma'am. We're really grateful as you all are customers. Hi Sunita, hi. Hi, how are you doing? कैसा चल रहा है सब कुछ इन बॉम्बे इन बैंगलोर इन हैदराबाद हाउ पीपल आर डूइंग हाय गीता as you all already know that jewelry prices have been much in, we are selling at very low rate today and obviously for the rest of the day. So hi Navya. So we are going to sell all the jewelries at the low rate as you all know. Hi, no voice. Can you all hear me? If the voice is. I hope I'm audible to everyone. If not, then just let me know. I'll just check the connection. Maybe there's a connection error or something. If I'm audible, then just say yes or no. Yes, clearly. All right. And if there is any background noise or anything such that, you can definitely comment so that I'll check into that. Okay, so let's start the live. So आज का जो live है, it's all about the malas and Lakshmi pendant we have and some sort of new jewelries. So all these are especially for the festive collection, which is like Varama Lakshmi Puja and Savan ka month hai. Everybody knows that, right? So hi Nitika, hi, hello. So let's start. Okay, so before we start, आपको कोई भी jewelries अगर आपको पसंद आए, be it like choker, earring, necklace or any jewelries you like or you are interested, take a screenshot of that item and send us on this WhatsApp number that I have placed on as a pinned comment. The new WhatsApp number is 6289596105. This is our new alternate WhatsApp number where you can place an order or for the immediate assistance you can contact us in this number as well. Hi Krishna, hello. So let's start. So the very first thing I'm going to show you is this very beautiful 22 carat wax fit baby bangle. It's very pretty, it's very cute as well for the newborn babies and kids, and this fits from 0 to 5 years of age. So yeah, let me show you how this looks like. This is the baby bangle in 22 carat wax filled, and I'm going to show you this how it looks. So this fits from 0 to 5 years of age and it's very perfect और बहुत easily आप पहन सकते हो and yeah, this will cause no harm to babies, so it's very perfect and convenient to wear. Also, this price for this baby bangle is only 12,500. So yeah, you all can take a screenshot if you are interested to buy this baby bangle, or if you have any other suggestion you want or any other references, take a screenshot of this baby bangle. Price is only 12,500. This is how the baby bangle looks like. So 12,500 is the price for that baby bangle. Next we have this very pretty and it's very beautiful God Lakshmi pendant. This is also in 14 karat gold with the drops of cream pearls. So this is how it looks. This is also in 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. I'm going to show you the back side of the pendant as well. This is how the back looks like and the side look. So आप ये कोई भी चेन के साथ आप इसको पहन सकते हो, be it like any mala chain or be it like any simple or minimal chain or pearl chain as well. So this is how it looks. 14 karat God Lakshmi pendant with the drops of cream pearls. And you all can take a screenshot if you are interested to buy this, or if you want some other customization. So yes, you can take a screenshot and send us on our WhatsApp number, which I've pinned down, 6289596105. Save this number if you haven't, so that if you in future if you want to know more details about any jewelries, or if you want to buy some jewelries, you can contact this number. Okay, price for this God Lakshmi pendant with cream pearls is only 10,500. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this God Lakshmi pendant, as we have only one piece left in the stock. And if you want more than 2 or 3, then this will be made on order. So yeah, this is what we have now. It's ready to dispatch. 10,500 is the price for this beautiful God Lakshmi pendant. Now we'll move ahead with the color that I'm wearing, and obviously ये बार बार restock होता है because इसकी demand इतनी ज़्यादा है. People actually love this, the designs and the bangle, and this is perfect for like for a daily wear, or you can gift to your mom, your sister, or your loved ones. So this is how the kara looks like, the one that I'm wearing. This is 22 karat bags filled kara, and these beads are at the bottom of this kara. So yeah, you all can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this, or if you want to know more details like weight, making charges and etc. Price for this kara is only 14,500. You all can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this or want any customization as such. 14,500 is the price for this 22 karat bags filled kara. And yeah, it's very pretty, and this is adjustable as well, so it's very easy to wear because ये adjustable है, and you can give this, and this is very perfect for the gift purpose if you are looking, and budget friendly as well. So 14,500 है इसका price. You all can take a screenshot. इसके मदद से आप adjust कर सकते हो. With this you can adjust. So yeah, 14,500 is the price for this kara. Now next we have this beautiful Japanese beads mala, which is also in 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. All the jewelry that I am showing you, be it in 14 karat or 18 karat, all those are BIS hallmark, and those with which has 22 karat wax filled, those comes with the certificate. It doesn't have any hallmark because वो already certificate के साथ आते हैं, so they doesn't require hallmark. So yeah, this I was talking about, the Japanese beads mala. This is 14 karat gold and Japanese beads, as you all can see, the greenish, these greenish beads, all are Japanese beads that are called, with the rose pattern. It's baby pink rose quarters, and the beads are Japanese beads with the premium pearls. The quality of the pearls are very premium, and you all can definitely wear this anytime, any occasion you all want to wear. Just take a look and take a screenshot if you want to purchase this mala, which comes with the premium pearls and Japanese beads, 14 karat gold with the BIS hallmark. And price for this is only 11,500. I repeat, price for this Japanese beads mala is only 11,500. So you all can take a screenshot if you want to know more details such as weight, making charges and etc. This comes with the BIS hallmark and 58.5% of purity of 14 karat gold. So 11,500 is the price for this mala. Now next we have this chocolate mala, and yeah, it's very cute, elegant, and again this has been restocked for our customers who wanted to order, and it's finally restocked. So if that customer is watching, so your order is being displayed on live, but don't worry, today we're going to dispatch. So this is the chocolate mala and I was talking about. This is our customers' orders, and yeah, I'll just show you how the design actually looks by means of chocolate mala. These are the chocolate beads, this brownish color. All these are the chocolate beads, and this is how the whole chocolate mala looks like. And the hook is given right here. So this is how the whole beads mala look like. Also, let me tell you the price for this 14 karat chocolate mala. 7,500 is the price for this chocolate mala, which is on discount. Original price is 8,000, but we are giving it for 500 off, so why not? And yeah, 7,500 is the price for this chocolate beads mala, which is on discount. So this is how the whole thing looks like. You all can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this, and the rest apart for the details like weight, making charges, and etc. And if you want to place an order, you can directly take a screenshot of this chocolate mala and send us on our WhatsApp number, which is 6289596105. So yeah, 7,500 is the price for this chocolate mala. Now we'll move ahead with the pearl mala, which is again, it's very authentic and the design is very premium, the rich look that it says. And yeah, let's just talk about the details over it. It's very prime, it gives it a very premium finishing look. You all can definitely see by the design of this pearl. I mean, the quality is too good. I mean, it's very good quality. So yeah, this is 5 lines, as you all can see, 5 lines of the white pearls, and this comes with the polki stone and 14 karat gold with the BIS hallmark. So जो hallmark है वो यहीं पर है, so you can definitely see. And this comes with the polki stone जो pendant की तरह लगा हुआ है is with the middle of the necklace, and this comes with the drop of cream pearls also. It's very light cream pearls. So I'll just show you how the whole thing looks like. This is how the white pearl, it's a very snow white pearl necklace. It's a mala sort of. So yeah, you all can take a screenshot of this mala, and price is only 6,500. So it's very budget friendly for those who are looking for a mala which comes under budget. So it's perfect to make a choice for, like, you know, gift purpose or any type of festive occasion. Let me show you how the entire thing looks like so that you all can take a screenshot of this again. And yeah, so you all can take a screenshot of this necklace, the mala, sorry. So yeah, 6,500 is the price for this white pearl mala with polki stone and 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. Now next we have this sage green beads mala. Again, you all can see. This is 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and size of this, that is the inches of the chain, is only 22 inches. So this is how the entire thing looks like. Entire mala. It's very pretty, the sage green beads mala with the tikra over here. And the back we have given the dori. So yeah, this is how the sage green beads mala looks like. Take a screenshot if you want to purchase this or want to know more details. This is 14 karat gold, 22 inches, sage green beads mala, and price for this is only 9,000. and this has total 4 lines. Now you can see 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 lines we have this, and the inches are 22 inches. 9,000 is the price for this one, and the other one that we have, it's very similar. I'll just show you how this looks like. ये भी sage green है, but the inches are too long, and this has got Navratna side tikra. It's very pretty because of the Navratna stone. So this is how the entire thing looks like. This is 14 karat gold with 24 inches of chain, and this is sage green in Navratna stone pendants out of tikra. So we all can see this tikra. This is totally Navratna stone, 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and the lines are 5 lines in this. So उसमें जो मैंने दिखाया उसमें 4 lines थे, and the size was 22 inches. This is almost the same, 14 karat gold, but the size is 24 inches and 5 lines. So this is how it looks, and price is also same. 9,000 is the price for this, and the other one that I showed you, this one. So the both one that I showed you is very same, only the size difference is there. The rest is very same, so you all can definitely see this. So 9,000 is the price for this and this one, both. Take a screenshot if you want to purchase this one. Now next we have this maroon jari choker that I'm wearing, and it's a very pretty one, though it suits my entire neck and it fits my entire neck, and this goes like a complement with my kurti. So yeah, definitely maroon and red is like goes with any color, with any outfit you want to wear. So the jali choker that I was talking about, this is a jali choker that I'm wearing with the pendant at the bottom of this choker, and this is how it looks. And yeah, it's very it's giving like a very shimmery sort of, perfect for the party wear and festive occasion. And if you're looking for a Rakhi gift also, under budget friendly, which just comes, this is made to order for this. This is perfect for the gift purpose, and this is actually perfect for the Raksha Bandhan gift if you want to give to your sister or your loved ones. So this is how the jali choker looks like, and so the price for this choker is only 8,500. So this is like perfect, and your sister gonna love this too, and your mom as well if you want to give to your birthday or any special occasion. So 8,500 is the price for this jari choker which I am wearing, 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. So you all can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this, or if you want to know more details such as. You all can definitely take a screenshot and send us on this WhatsApp number that I've pinned down, which is 6289596105. Okay, so 8,500 ये जाली चोकर का cost है. So yeah, if you want any customization, if you want to add more stones in this, so that can be done as well. Now let's move ahead with the purple one, and this is like one of my favorite color because I'm like more of a lavender girl, so I prefer more purple and pink. But I'm going to show you how this choker looks like. And this is real beads. All this is a very real beads. So I'm going to show you how this looks. This is how the regal purple choker looks like. Okay. This is how the regal purple choker looks like, and it's very pretty. So you can see. And this comes with the polki stone and the pearls. I'll just show you the details, more closer look of this necklace, sorry, the choker. This is how the choker looks like. It's fits entire to your neck and it's very perfect. आप इसको कोई भी ओकेजन में पहन सकते हो, आप वरमहालक्ष्मी में भी पहन सकते हो एंड लक्ष्मी पूजा में भी. So this is like that perfect. You all can see. And at the back the door has been given, so you can easily wear. You can wear this on sari, on kurta, any ethnic outfits, be it like lehenga also. Even though I'm wearing this yellow kurta now, so this will also fit entire thing to my neck. I mean, if I wear it, it's very perfect, pretty purple color. It's a very royal and rich color, you know. This is that cute. So yeah. Okay, let's talk about the price for this Regal Purple Choker with the pearls. And price for this is only 13,000. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. And mind you, this is the real piece. These all are the real beads. So yeah. 13,000 is the price for this choker. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this choker. Now next we have this very cute and pretty pendant which is in flower shape, and this is very budget friendly, I'll tell you, because of the stones and the weight and everything. This is the flower pendant I was talking about. You all can see the clarity, right? All these are Polki stones with the BIS hallmark. The BIS hallmark is right given at the back of the hook. You can show you, but obviously it's not that visible. It's just right here at the hook. So BIS hallmark. So this is how the flower pendant looks like, and it's yet pretty and amazing. आप इसको कोई भी चेन के साथ पहन सकते हो. I don't have to show that chain right now. अगर मेरे पास होता तो I would have shown you how this thing looks like with the chain, with a minimal chain. So you can just take a screenshot of this white pendant. And price for this 14 karat flower Polki stone pendant is only 5,000. We have this in very similar color, very similar design, which is in purple one, and that is 6,000. And वो अभी restock भी हो गया है. But this is the very new piece. Price is only 5,000. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this flower pendant. Now next we have this, and this is a very pretty one. One of it's a very new design that we have come up with the cream pearls and red and white stone. This is how it looks. Gives you that very rich look as well, you know. So this is 14 karat flower pink choker set with the white Polki stone and the drops of cream pearls. This gives you that very royal, majestic look if you wear it on your sari, and especially on the lehengas also. So this is that perfect. This is how the whole set looks like, and price for the whole set is 50,000, 50,000. And if you just want only the choker, that is only this choker, price will be 42,000. So price for the whole set is 50,000, and in case if you want to buy just the choker, the only choker price will be 42,000. 50,000 is the set and only choker is 42,000. So yeah, you can just check the earring as well, how the earring fits. This is in white and pink stone earring with a drop of cream pearls. I'll just show you how this looks like. This is how it looks. Yeah, it's cute as well, and this earring goes with my choker that I'm wearing, the chai choker. So this is how it looks. And this has got the Bombay screw, so it's very easy to wear. I'll just show you how the entire thing looks like again, so that you all can take a screenshot and can decide better. So yeah. So 50,000 is the set, the price set of this. And yeah. Now next I'll show you this black beads chain. Like our customer recommended to show us on the live, so why not? We wanted to see how this thing looks like. Okay, so this is black beads chain with the polki stone. $14-carat black beads necklace with the polki stone. All these are polki stone, and this is hallmark, BIS hallmark, and the side hook is given at the back. This is how it looks. And price for this black beads necklace is only 7,500. It's very budget friendly. Again, आजकल जो लाइव है ना, आज हम लोग ने सारे बजट फ्रेंडली दिखाने वाले हैं, सो इट्स ऑल बेस्ड ऑन दैट. सो यू ऑल कैन सी 7,500 is the price for this black beads necklace. And if you want to know more details like weight and making charges, wastage, etc., so you all can DM us by taking a screenshot of this necklace. $7,500 is the price for this black beads stone. Now next we have this a very pretty lilac color. We have this in leaf earrings, and this is very cute in color, as all can see. It's in the leaf pattern with the polki stone, and I'm just gonna show you how this thing looks like, the entire thing. This is how the polki and purple stone, the purple beads looks like. So you all can take a close look of this. 14-carat lilac beads leaf earring, and price for this is only 12,500. So it's very, it's that easy to wear. Why? Because it has Bombay screw, and it's lightweight also. And for those who are looking for in lilac color or something like in hanging style, you all can definitely go with this. Take a screenshot if you want to purchase this lilac beads leaf earring, which cost is only 12,500. Now next we have this Indrani pink necklace, which we have, and it's very pretty. This is in Rani pink color stone with 14-carat gold, and I'm going to show you how this pretty pink actually looks like in the skin tone. This is how it looks. This is in Rani pink stone with the 14-carat gold with BIS hallmark. And price for this is only 21,500. Okay. This is only 21,500. And this is how the entire thing looks like. And आप इसको कोई भी कुर्ता के साथ पहन सकते हो, be it like any ethnic outfits or even with the formal thing as well. So this goes well with any outfits. 21,500 is price for this Rani pink necklace. Now next we have the last piece, which is the customer's order, and this is an 18-carat gold. For the price, kindly DM us. So I'll just show you how this 18-carat mala looks like. This is how the 18-carat mala looks like with the premium pearl. This is an 18-carat gold with premium snow white pearl mala in 24 inches, and this is our customer's order, which we are going to dispatch on just after the live. So if our customer is watching, this is how your mala is going to dispatch before packing. So we just wanted to show it in the live. This is how it looks in 18-carat gold. And for the price, can you take a screenshot and send us on our Instagram page or the number I've posted down. So for the price, we'll send you the exact price. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you have watched all the jodis, and if you have been taking all the screens, or if you are interested in any of these items. And yeah, for any customization orders or product, you can DM us on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted down. So that's it for today, guys. For the next line, we are going to update you through our stories. Till then, have a nice day ahead.